probably wondering what you're doing here. Don't worry, your other teammates went to speaker base and TV base to see the Titans, and you're here to see the Titan cameraman.
Hello. Let me tell you that no matter what happens, we will do everything to protect you. However, please also cooperate a little, both on the base and out there. We've been receiving reports of flying toilets. We don't know what they're up to, but they'll be down tomorrow, so get ready, everyone. Those who stay to guard the base, stay, and those who go to war, prepare yourselves. The toilets will fall tomorrow. By the way, where is Plunger? I haven't seen him in a while.
Hey Rathnar, it's been a while. How have you been? Things are going well for me, but what about you?
Hey Spiros, so things are going like this. I met some friends, but they're facing some enemies I don't even know who they are. And I came here for a bit because I got a notification that we should meet up in this old place. What memories, right? This was our little barracks.
Well, it's the rebel duo. It's been a long time, hasn't it? Well, I got a note to go to the old headquarters, and here I am. Now I'm possessed by the spirit of the bear. Now I am stronger than before.
Look at you all. Here you are. But something seems missing, don't you think, friend? Why did you call us? I was doing some important things, but it seems they sent me to fight with this bunch of idiots.
Look, it's Atreus and Xiphos.
Hey Rathnar, Spiros, it's been a while. Could you tell me why we're here?
Atreus, believe me, we're confused too because we don't know who called and didn't even know we'd be meeting again after so many years.
Yes, it's me, V, the god who created the entire planet in Amorta and, well, also part of its empires. I was looking for my children, but I received a letter saying we had to meet at the old barracks. By the way, it's a mess.
Well, it's been a while since I've been here, Atakai. What happened to you? You're all skin and bones now.
Hey guys, how long has it been? Maybe 30 years? Or I don't know, I'm kinda crazy, you know how I am.
You know, if we're all here, that means the rest received the signal too. But some of us aren't here. Catherine, Toga, Umbrax, Ender, your brother Griffin, and I think the boss, but after that I don't know what's up.
Hey, why is it shaking and what's that sound?
Hey buddy, we're secret agents, and now you'll have to keep this a secret. So you're part of our faction now.